In today's video, I'll show you how to embed Postscript into your Shopify store in just a few minutes. This setup allows you to integrate SMS marketing seamlessly and start engaging customers more effectively. Start by opening your web browser and going to the official Shopify website. Log into your Shopify account using your credentials. If you are on a shared or public computer, make sure you are logged out of any other accounts for security. Once you're inside the Shopify admin dashboard, head over to the Apps section. This is where you can add new tools to improve your store. In the search bar, type Postscript and look for the Postscript SMS marketing app. Click on the app from the search results, then select Add App or Install. Shopify may ask you to confirm the installation or log in again if your session has expired. Approve the connection so Shopify and Postscript can work together. After approval, you'll be redirected to the Postscript dashboard. If you don't already have an account, create one by entering your store details and completing the required SMS compliance steps. Once inside the Postscript dashboard, configure your basic settings. Make sure to add links to your privacy policy and terms of service, as these are required for SMS marketing and help maintain transparency with your customers. That's it. You've successfully embedded Postscript into your Shopify store and can now start building SMS campaigns to boost engagement and increase sales. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more Shopify tips.